In today's video, I'll show you how to install and use a 100% completed save file in Marvel's Spider-Man 2. Check my video description for the save file download link. Select the manual download option and select slow download option and it will start downloading. Once download done, select this folder icon. Right click on the downloaded file and select WinRAR and select open with WinRAR. Go to documents, open the Spider-Man 2, open random numbers. Before dropping the save, backup your game progress. Right click on the blank area in desktop and select new and select folder. Name it as backup and then drag and drop all your game progress inside this backup. Drag and drop this 100% save file inside this location and launch the game. Once you are in game, go to load game and select the 100% save file. And as you can see, the 100% save file successfully loads. I hope this video helped you. If the video helped you, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe. Thank you.